Hi there, we're standing in the West End section of downtown Dallas, and we're near the Dallas headquarters of Corrigan. If you're going to be working for Corrigan in the future as a new or recent grad, you need to be watching this video, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how great the area is and what there is to do around, and we're also going to talk about other areas that are close by that you can consider for restaurants, nightlife, and finding a great apartment. This is the West End area. It's an historic district. It's got a lot of restaurants and shops. You can see on this attraction sign, it's just a very, very cool area, and it's very well visited. People visit the aquarium, the 6th floor museum, the Dallas Holocaust Museum, and other things that are here. But it also has a lot of restaurants and night spots. So what we're doing is we're actually on the street that Corrigan is, and our walking tour is starting, but we're actually going to end at Corrigan. So this is a really pleasant street. It's a great area. It feels super, super safe.